Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
And in this video, you're going to hear and see references to the JLT oil separator. Well, we're excited to announce that as of December 2021, all JLT oil separators will now be J&L oil separators.
Same great product with a different name.
Thank you for your purchase. Today we're going to go over the installation of the JLT oil separator for your 2011 to 17 Mustang V6. Okay, this is the PCV line we're going to be disconnecting. There's a tab on each one of the connections. Pull that tab, pull it off. Same down here. See all that oil in there. Now take your separator right onto the valve cover. You'll hear it click. These fittings can rotate. Snap it on and you're done. To check or empty, go ahead and remove it. Push in on this gray tab. That's going to release the clip. Unscrew it, empty it, and reinstall.